It's me again, back with the Dodge. So here's the thing. This would be considered by most people to be a parts car. But what is a parts car? Let me show you a couple things. We got roof, or the hood, rusted almost in half. Hood's not even attached. Severe rust here. Rotten windshield channel everywhere. Floor, pretty bad. You got a hole in the windshield, so the dash is pretty rusted. Headliner looks surprisingly good, except for that part. And the upholstery is surprisingly good. You got rust spots like that everywhere. See, that's old Bondo rust. Old Bondo rust. Old fiberglass repair. Whole floor probably needs to be. See, I'm seeing daylight through it. Big rust hole in the roof right here. So you know water came in, came down. Like transmission sitting. You can't see it, but it's sitting in the back seat. Engine. No radiator, no air cleaner. It's got an old alternator, so that means the wiring, it's been converted to 12 volt, but the wiring's completely got to be redone. Look, inner fender, or engine bay on that side, just sitting there. Frame is actually in decent shape. No spark plugs, gonna have to go through the engine. But the thing is, any car can be repaired. All that can be repaired. Now, if you took this to a shop and did it, yeah, you're gonna spend tens of thousands of dollars. This car restored, since it's a 4-door sedan, completely restored, is probably not worth $6,000. But the thing is I didn't have $6,000. I had 500, and that's what I paid for this car. And I found out through my 56 Belvedere Regina that I'm pretty good at body work. And I'm not a mechanic, but I'm pretty decent with these simple engines. So to me, this is not a parts car. Now, if I get into it and find the frame's rusted completely in half or something, which it's not from what I've seen, everything I've checked on the frame is good, then everything else can be redone and repaired. And I can weld, I can body work, I can Bondo, I can fiberglass, I can paint. So yeah, to me, this is not a parts car. And that's why I'm going to try and save this car. A lot of people think these cars are worthless, but look at this. Even back in the day when this car was made and released, it was considered a budget car for working people to be able to go to work, maybe load the family up in and have a little vacation somewhere. And even that, low-end budget car, look at it. Look at the chrome. Look at the curves. This car's got class. I like this car quite a bit. And that's why, to me, this car is worth the effort. And also, on top of that, most of the chrome is in the trunk. All of the trim and, the bezel, like all that stuff, that alone makes this car worth what I bought it for. So if you're just ever wondering, if you're watching this and wondering why I'm putting that effort into this car, that's why. It's what I could get, and I like it. So, parts car to you might be a dream car to someone else. Now, this is no Regina, but this is its own car, and I like it a lot, and I'm going to give it the effort that I have time and what little, I'm going to do it as cheaply as possible, but I'm going to give it my effort. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do a better job than the previous guy, because, ooh. Anyway, that's what's going on with the 50 Dodge Coronet Deluxe.